How to find the Lego game mode in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to go to play right here, then scroll down. So if you have already played it, you will see it here on the recently played and favorites at the top. But if you haven't played it yet, you just simply need to scroll down and find the Buy Epic header right here, or the Buy Epic section. And once you're there, you can automatically see the Lego Fortnite right there. But if you don't, you just need to expand it by clicking on the right arrow right here, and you simply find the Lego Fortnite right there. But for me, it's now here, so I'm just gonna simply click on it and select it. And now I now have the Lego Fortnite. But if you still can't find it, you just simply need to click on the search bar right here and just simply search for Lego, or click on the Lego option right here. And as you can see, it will show up all of the Lego games right there. And just select the Lego game you want, click on select, and that's basically it.